Not getting timely updates on the location of your loads, truck drivers, and loads can frustrate any carrier and cause them trouble. Not being able to inform your customers about the shipment status can put a strain on your relationship with them. Well, not anymore. LoadStop TMS offers real-time end-to-end visibility of your fleet and shipments, ensuring more timely deliveries and maximizing service efficiency. With seamless and powerful ELD integrations, LoadStop allows you to track the location of your drivers, trucks, and loads anytime, anywhere from a single window. At the same time, you can keep your customers informed about the status of the shipments. So choose LoadStop today and track all your shipments in real time in the most efficient way.